Hey guys, so welcome back to the course. Now as you can see, I have lit my candle because this portion of the course is going to teach you how to meditate. Meditation and affirmation, which are very, very essential on your weight loss. Sometimes I have incense, and basically having a candle and incense, well, this candle actually is scented, so I really don't need the incense. So that's another reason why I don't have incense. But normally I have incense also because it gets the 5 senses working. And that's what you want when you meditate. It's about getting the senses engaged, okay? Engaged for relaxation, for calmness, for just getting in touch with your inner being. And in order to do that, you need to be in a relaxed state. And that's what this does, okay? So make sure if you don't have a candle, buy yourself a candle. Center one. If not, get yourself some incense. You can have more than one. Sit on something comfortable, like I'm sitting on this huge pillow, which is like sitting on the cloud, which I love. I'm sitting in the lotus position. You do not have to. Everyone's not comfortable in this position. So if you're not comfortable in this position, you can just have your legs stretched out like this, if that's more comfortable for you. Some people even sit like this, if that's comfortable for you too. But basically, there's no right or wrong, okay? It's whatever you're comfortable with, okay? So we're going to start off small. Especially for people who have never meditated before, okay? So we got our candle, like for example, this has already set a mood for me. Oh, here's another position. If you're more comfortable with just with your legs like this on the side and your arm just resting on the floor or on your pillow. Just make yourself as comfortable as possible because meditation is about relaxation, okay? Because basically, in order for anything to happen, it has to happen through a relaxed state of mind, okay? In order for real change to happen, in my opinion. So, okay, so the next thing you're going to need is your journal that you got at the beginning of the course. And we're going to write some affirmations down, okay? Very, very simple because some people actually, they live their lives with just affirmations, which I think is wonderful. But for me, I like to keep my affirmations simple because it helps me to remember it, and also it helps me to repeat it over and over again for my subconscious mind if I just keep it simple. For example, I am going to write in my journal, one of my affirmations are, just write the word affirmation. You can do the same thing. And actually, I learned this from Bob Proctor, who is a great, great spiritual teacher. I am so happy and grateful now that I am at my perfect weight. So that's my first affirmation, and you can make it yours too. I am so happy and grateful now that I am at my perfect weight. Just you're giving words power, which helps change your life. So you can write as many as you want, but we're just going to start off with a few for this course, okay? So the first one I wrote was, I am so happy and grateful now that I am at my perfect weight. Okay, and then it just came to me, I'm going to write a second affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I don't get headaches anymore. So whatever ailments or, like for example, ailments or pains that you're having, you can make that into an affirmation. Let's say if you're having knee pains or joint pains, you can make that your affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that I no longer have knee pains. We're basically projecting what we want into the universe. and pretending like it has already happened. And we're thanking the universe for it in advance. And that's what activates it and makes it happen. So the next one, for example, I'm going to write, I am so happy and grateful now that I only eat food that nourishes my body. So I am so happy and grateful now that I only eat food that nourishes my body. I am so happy and grateful now that I only eat food that nourishes my body. I am so happy and grateful now that I do not have any more headaches. I am so happy and grateful now that I do not have any more headaches. So it's like you say it as if it really happened and really believe it. And once you say it over and over again, you will start to believe it and it will manifest, okay? Because basically, remember what I said in the first module? That when you write, you're actually imprinting your subconscious mind. So therefore, when you speak it, you're giving it even more power on top of that, okay? I am so happy and grateful now that I am at my perfect weight. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am at my perfect weight. Another affirmation that just came to me. I am so happy and grateful now that I am living my best optimal life. I am so happy and grateful now that I am living an optimal, my optimum life.